Mabuhay mga kabsat! Here we go again for our travel at samahan niyo akong mag-room tour dito sa Hotel 101. This is Hotel 101 Manila at located ito sa Pasay City, tabi ng Mall of Asia. Ang room number natin ay 311 and we're going to open the door using a key card. And we will be staying here for the night. Ang pinakamaganda dito sa part na to ay meron tayong natural lighting that comes from the window. Look at that! We have also here microwave, may mga cabinets din, hangers, at syempre ang kanilang napakalinis na bathroom. Look at that! Ang ganda. Sarap maligo. And their comfy towels. Syempre, it also comes with a hair blower. Bidet check tayo mga kapsat. Ayan, sakto lang kayong pressure. We also have locker and reft. Siyempre, it comes with a complimentary slipper. Siyempre, they also have pools here which is located at the second floor. Sa ground floor naman, meron silang cafe and restaurant doon na pwede mong kainan. So that's it for today. Thank you so much mga kabsat and I'll see you in my next travel.